Good morning, children. I'm Kusum, back with your science lesson. Today, in this lesson, we will be learning about food and health. Yes, children, food plays very important role in our life. Have you heard saying health is wealth? Yes, children, health is our real wealth. There is a saying, health is wealth, means our health is our real wealth. Loss of health is actually loss of happiness, and it is really important to take care of our physical health and mental health. And for this, we have to keep few points in our mind. Let's see what are those points. First, eat balanced diet. Second, exercise regularly. Third, take proper rest. Fourth, cleanliness around you. So by eating balanced diet, doing exercise regularly, taking proper rest and keeping your surrounding clean, you can achieve good health, which is equal to real wealth. And for these children, you have to eat healthy food, not junk food, because healthy food gives you an active life and junk food gives you lethargic life. Let's start with balanced diet. You must be thinking, I know how to balance, but balancing diet or food is something which I am not able to get it. But don't worry, children, I'm here to make it clear. Balance means equal distribution of weight to make possible for someone or something to remain upright and steady. For example, cycle. When you start learning cycle, it is difficult to balance your body on the cycle, and very frequently you fell down while practicing. But due to regular practice, you learn to balance your body on your cycle, and you start riding cycle beautifully. In a same way, children, we should take balanced diet or meal to stay healthy. Whatever we are eating, we should make it sure that we should take in correct proportion or amount so that we can stay healthy. You must have heard word nutrients. It means a substance in our food which provide essential nourishment for our growth. Nutrients like vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, fats, water and roughage. So children, repeat with me, what is nutrient? It is a substance in our food that are used by our body for growth. Examples: vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, fats, water, roughage, and we will be discussing one by one all these nutrients. Let's start with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, also known as energy giving food. Our body needs lot of energy for different activities, and we get this energy from carbohydrates, a food which contain lot of carbohydrates. We need energy for different physical activities like to play, to work, to do exercise. And sources of carbohydrates are rice, bread, chapatis, potatoes, bananas, sugars. So these are the different examples of carbohydrates. Now see what is next. Proteins. which is also known as bodybuilding food, and it improves our immunity so that our body can fight with different kind of diseases. We need protein for the growth and development of the body. Do you know, children, our hair and nails are made up of protein. It is very important building block of bones, muscles, skin and blood. Sources of proteins are red beans, that is rajma, lentils, that is kali urad, moot, chia seeds, chickpeas, chole, nuts means different dry fruits, soya beans, etc. So these are the vegetarian example of protein, and this is non-vegetarian example of protein: fish, chicken, red meat. Now see what is next. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Yes, fats it gives us more energy, and it is required in our body because it absorbs vitamin A, D and E, but we need it in very small amount. Sources of fats are ghee, oil, butter, etc. Now see what is next. Vitamins and minerals. These are protective food. Vitamins keep our body fit. It improves our appetite. We feel hungry, and it increases our immunity so that our body can fight with different diseases. And minerals help in the growth and development of our body. They also convert food into energy, and then we use that energy for different activities. Sources of vitamins are, you can see a different source of different vitamins, and these are the sources of minerals: milk, yogurt, soya beans, ladyfinger, oranges, etc. Now see what is next. Roughage improves our digestion. Roughage, it is very important part of digestion because it improves our digestion and it promotes gut health. Gut health means intestine health. It keeps our intestine clean. Roughage help our body to get rid of undigested food which is not required. It transport that undigested food out from our body. And sources of roughages: green vegetables and fruits. Children, we should cook our food with care so that its nutritional value remains same or it should not lost. Cereals, pulses and vegetables should be cooked in the water in which they have been soaked because that water contains dissolved vitamins. What we are forgetting? A very important thing. Water, essential for our life. We all know that our body is 70% water. Our body needs water to regulate its temperature and maintain other bodily functions. As our body loses water through breathing, sweating and digestion, so it is really important to drink water and eat fruits that contain lot of water. So children, I believe nutrients of balanced diet is clear to you all. Now we are clear with the different nutrients of balanced diet. Now let's see what is balanced diet. A diet containing all the essential nutrients in the correct proportion of food needed for the good health is known as balanced diet. Means a diet or a meal containing all the essential nutrients in the correct amount of foods which is required for our growth is known as balanced diet. So what is this, children? This is our meal. This is our diet. And these different sections are showing that what should we take and in what quantity should we take. Let's start from green part. What is green part? Fruits and vegetables, 33%, because it provides us vitamins, minerals, which improves our immunity, which improves our hunger. It also helps in our digestion. Now see what is next. Carbohydrates, 33%. Why carbohydrates 33%? Because it is energy giving food and we need lot of energy for different activities. What is next? Proteins, 12%. We need protein for growth and development of our body. Now what is next? Dairy products, 15%, because it also because it is a source of different minerals which is needed by our body. Now what is next? Fat and sugar, 7%, because this section contains lot of energy and it absorbs vitamin A, D and E in our body. So we need it in very small amount. And other than this, we need water. We should always drink lot of water. Let's talk about food pyramid. Pyramid is a building which occupies more space at the bottom and less space at the top. Food pyramid is basically a food building that demonstrates what to eat in a large quantity and what to eat in a less quantity. Here food pyramid is divided into 4 groups. Let's start from the first group, fats and oil. It contains high energy and it is required in our body because it absorbs vitamin A, D and E. So we should take it in little amount. Next is protein, which is also known as bodybuilding food, which is helpful in our growth and development. And basically this group of food is required in our growing age. Now the third one is vitamins and minerals. It improves our immunity, regulates our appetite and it gives us lot of roughage which is good for digestion. So children, we should eat this group of food in large quantity. And the last is carbohydrates, energy giving food. We need energy for doing lot of physical work. And this group of food means carbohydrates are required by laborers or a person who is riding rickshaw or sportsmen, because these are the people who do lot of physical work, so they need lot of energy. So children, remember, when you go upwards, you should eat less fatty foods, less sugar, less processed food, less fatty proteins, refined grains, etc. And when you come downwards, you should eat more fruits, veggies, healthy proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and you should drink lot of water. Now children, just think, if I put this pyramid upside down, do you think it is going to balance and stand straight? No. In the same way children, if we eat lot of fatty foods, that is going to harm our body and we will be putting on lot of weight, which is invitation for lot of diseases. So if we want to stay healthy, Keep this pyramid like this and eat lot of green vegetables, fruits, healthy proteins, whole grains, etc. and drink lot of water. What are these? Junk food, really tasty and mouth-watering. Junk food means lot of weight because it is fatty food, and junk food means invitation to lot of diseases. So we should avoid eating these kind of food or dishes. But sometimes we really wish to have these mouth-watering dishes. In that case, we should have little bit for taste. But always remember little bit because it gives lot of weight. It makes us lethargic and it makes us feel tired and it invites lot of diseases. So say no to junk food. Children, today I am going to share a beauty mantra with you. Beauty mantra is eat colors. By eating colors, how can we look beautiful? Let's see. Eat white color healthy food to keep your immunity strong so that your body can fight with diseases. Eat red color fruits and vegetables to keep your heart healthy. Eat green leafy vegetables to detoxify your body to because green vegetables remove toxic substance from our body. Eat yellow fruits and vegetables for beautiful and glowing skin and to feel happy. Eat orange color fruits for preventing cancer and eat purple color fruit and vegetables for long life. So children, for looking beautiful, eat colors. Children, by following simple ways, we can live healthy life. Now let's see what are these simple ways. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. And this leads us to healthy life. Next is eat a lot of vegetables and fruits and drink lot of water to live healthy life. Third one, eat your meals at a regular time every day to live healthy life. Next, chew your food well and do not overeat because it gives you lot of weight. So if you want to live healthy life, chew your food well and do not overeat. Next, exercise regularly. It is very important. And the last one, sound sleep at least for 8 hours every. Eat healthy and stay healthy.